What's up, guys? Chris Gonzalez here on the Captgonzo. So today we're talking about my favorite lures to carry when I go tuna fishing. Number one, my XL large popper. Whether you're fishing for yellowfin, bluefin, whatever kind of pelagics, these are always going to do the trick, especially when these fish are feeding on top, or you want to draw them to the surface. They're large, they push a lot of water, and they float, which are amazing. The smaller maddmantis plugs do sink, right? They don't float. You're going to use a faster retrieve, which is going to give you more of a chug. This is going to give you that big gush, right? That gush, let it settle, gush, let it settle, gush, let it settle. Smaller popper, pop, 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 pop. Faster retrieve, looks very erratic. Smaller bait attracts fish. Now, when you got some chop out there, or you got some rougher seas, or you got some whitecaps, these poppers will become less visible. That's when you want to switch to a stick bait, or my personal favorite, these Hogy Pro Paddletails, which I think are absolutely amazing and very versatile. I've used these when fish are feeding on top. I've used these to draw fish to the top. They look and resemble like a lot of the baits that these fish are feeding on. But the beauty of it is these will wind up being anywhere from 2 to 8 feet below the surface, making them more visible in chop, making them more visible in rougher seas. So I hope this helps you hook up more, and I'll see you out there on the deep blue goddamn sea. You guys be great.